Let's talk about the TestSprite CLI. What problem is this repository solving?
The TestSprite CLI is solving the problem of verifying AI-generated code without relying on mocks or dashboards. It allows coding agents to automatically test their own work against a live product, ensuring that bugs are caught before they reach users.
So, what makes this different from traditional testing methods?
Traditional testing often uses mocks or simulated environments, which can miss real-world issues. The TestSprite CLI works with the live product, providing a complete verification loop. This means agents can see exactly what broke and fix it immediately, without manual intervention or dashboard scraping.
How does the TestSprite CLI integrate with coding agents?
The TestSprite CLI installs a verification loop skill for your coding agent, which allows it to verify every behavior it ships. This integration is seamless, and it's done with a single command. The agent can then act on the results without needing to interact with a dashboard.
What are some of the key features or capabilities of the TestSprite CLI?
One of the key features is the ability to provide a self-consistent bundle of results to the coding agent. This bundle includes all the details of what broke, allowing the agent to act on it directly. Additionally, the CLI supports deterministic and offline testing for agents, ensuring that tests are reliable and repeatable.
What about the technical implementation and architecture of the TestSprite CLI?
The TestSprite CLI is built with TypeScript, ensuring type safety and developer productivity. It uses a modular architecture, with clear separation between the command line interface and the agent runtime. This allows for easy extension and maintenance of the CLI.
How does the TestSprite CLI handle authentication and API interactions?
The TestSprite CLI uses an API key for authentication, which is verified during the setup process. This key is required to interact with the TestSprite platform. The CLI provides both interactive and non-interactive setup options, making it easy to integrate into CI/CD pipelines and onboarding scripts.
What are some of the technical or architectural ideas that are specific to this repository?
One of the unique ideas is the use of a verification loop skill that is specifically tailored for coding agents. This skill allows agents to verify their own work automatically. Another idea is the use of a self-consistent bundle of results, which provides a complete picture of what broke and how to fix it.
How does the TestSprite CLI ensure that tests are deterministic and offline?
The TestSprite CLI injects fetch and sleep operations through test dependencies, allowing tests to be deterministic and offline. This ensures that tests do not rely on real network or timer interactions, making them more reliable and repeatable.
What is the significance of the codrabit.yaml file in this repository?
The codrabit.yaml file is a configuration file for CodeRabbit, which is used for AI first pass review on every PR. It defines the rules and instructions for CodeRabbit to follow, ensuring that reviews are consistent and focused on the right aspects of the code.
What about the file vitus.config.ts?
The vitus.config.ts file is used for configuring Vitus, the test runner used by the TestSprite CLI. It specifies the test files to include, the files to exclude, and the setup files to use. This ensures that tests are run in a hermetic environment, without relying on real environment variables or home directories.
What are some of the limitations or caveats of the TestSprite CLI?
One of the limitations is that the TestSprite CLI requires an API key, which must be set up during the setup process. Additionally, the CLI is built for specific versions of Node.js, which means it may not be compatible with older versions.
How does the TestSprite CLI handle different coding agents?
The TestSprite CLI is designed to work with various coding agents, including Claude, Cursor, Klein, Windsurf, Anti-Gravity, and Codex. It provides a consistent verification loop for each agent, ensuring that they can all verify their own work effectively.
What is the role of the GitHub Actions workflows in this repository?
The GitHub Actions workflows in this repository are used for continuous integration and testing. They include workflows for CI, issue triage, PR triage, and release management. These workflows ensure that the code is tested and verified continuously, maintaining the quality of the TestSprite CLI.
What is the significance of the documentation in this repository?
The documentation in this repository provides detailed information on how to use the TestSprite CLI, including setup instructions, configuration files, and best practices. This ensures that users can understand and utilize the CLI effectively.
How does the TestSprite CLI ensure compatibility with different versions of Node.js?
The TestSprite CLI is compatible with Node.js versions 20.19 plus, 22.13 plus, and 24 plus. This ensures that it can run on a wide range of environments, from development to production.
What is the impact of the TestSprite CLI on the agentic coding era?
The TestSprite CLI plays a crucial role in the agentic coding era by enabling coding agents to verify their own work automatically. This reduces the need for manual testing and ensures that code is correct and reliable before it is deployed.
Who should care about this repository?
Developers and teams who are using coding agents and need to ensure the quality of their code should care about this repository. It provides a powerful tool for automated testing and verification.